Let's learn about microscopes.
Whoa! Check out this cool gadget. What is this thing? Is it some kind of alien telescope?
Not quite, Ace. That's a microscope, the tool scientists use to look at things too small to see with just your eyes.
Oh, so like a tiny telescope for the microscopic universe.
Exactly. And today, we'll show you how to use one and learn all its important parts.
Are those living cells?
Yes, microscopes let us explore the hidden world of cells, tissues, and microbes.
So, it's like zooming into another dimension.
You could say that. Let's start by meeting the parts that make this scientific marvel work. Here's the big picture. Every compound microscope has structural parts that hold it together, and optical parts that help you see.
Kinda like how you've got metal parts that hold you together and fancy lenses that make you see everything in 4K.
Ha ha ha. Close enough, Ace. The base keeps everything stable. The arm connects the top and bottom. And that's where you hold the microscope when carrying it.
2 hands, right? One on the arm, one under the base. Safety first.
And the head holds the eyepiece tube where you'll look through to see your specimen.
So that's the part I stare into like a detective, right?
Yes, that's the eyepiece, also called the ocular lens. It usually magnifies 10 times. Attached below are the objective lenses on a rotating nose piece, each with different powers. For X, 10x, 40x, and sometimes 100x.
That's like switching from zoom to mega zoom.
Remember, start low, go slow. The stage is where your slide sits. Use stage clips to keep it in place.
Got it? No sliding slides.
Underneath, the condenser focuses light on the specimen. And the diaphragm controls how much light passes through.
So if it's too bright, I can dim it down a bit. Kinda like mood lighting for science.
You know it. These are your coarse and fine adjustment knobs. They move the stage to bring your sample into focus. The light source, or illuminator, shines light upward so you can actually see.
Now see if you can identify and label all the parts of a microscope. Okay, so how do I get this baby ready to use?
Step 1. Set it on a clean flat surface. Next, clean the lenses gently with lens paper, never with your shirt. Place your slide on the stage and secure it. Start with the lowest power objective lens, clicked into place. While looking through the eyepiece, use the coarse focus knob to bring the specimen roughly into view.
Low power first, so it's easier to find what I'm looking for.
Then, switch to fine focus for a sharp, clear image.
Remember, never let the lens touch the slide.
Once it's in focus on low power, rotate the nose piece to the next objective lens. Adjust the diaphragm or light intensity for the best contrast. Use the stage controls to move your slide and explore different areas.
It's like exploring a whole new world of tiny creatures.
Welcome to Microscopy, Ace. When you're finished, rotate back to the lowest power, remove your slide, clean any oil or dust with lens paper, turn off the light, and cover the microscope.
Perfect! Now it's time to review.
Know your microscope parts, start with the lowest objective, use coarse, then fine focus, adjust your light, clean and cover when done.
Time to check your work. Let's find out how you did labeling the microscope.
Great job! And never forget to explore, because there's a whole invisible world waiting to be discovered.